Hello guys, welcome to Eat Today. Today we are going to prepare fried chips with chicken. And our fried chips, we want it to be crispy, yeah, and yellow color. So we have our yam, our green pepper, blended green pepper, garlic, ginger, and onions. We have our sugar here. We have our salt. We have our curry. This yam, we want it to be crispy and yellow. So if you want your yam to be crispy and yellow, you need sugar and curry powder. So I've already washed my hands. So I have my curry here. I'll pour some here. And I'll add salt. I'll add the sugar. This will make the yam crispy. Crispy. So we have our boiling oil here. The oil is boiling. So let's come back to our yam. Then we add a little bit of curry and sugar. So let's check the hotness of the oil. So I'll put this yam inside to check the hotness. So now I have to add the yam. So now I have to add the yam. The oil is okay for me. So I have to add the yam. So like this. Okay. So the yam is going the yam is going to the fire. Gently, gently. So now come to my spoon. Yes. So about 10 minutes later our yam will be ready. So we are waiting for the 10 minutes. So let's wait. So guys, after the 10 minutes, our yam is ready. As you can see, I have this golden color. Yeah, very crispy. Because of the sugar, that's why the yam is very crispy. So now we have to add our second batch of yams. So like this. And now we are going to add our chicken. We'll add our chicken to the yam. Let's remove the water. So now gently, gently. I use my spoon. So now I'm going to add my chicken. So So now this will take about 12 minutes to be done. So guys, after 12 minutes, so guys, after the 10 minutes, I'm going to remove my yam. I removed the chicken because there was no space in there. So now I'm placing the chicken inside. So this will take like 5 minutes. So let's wait for the 5 minutes. Guys, after the 10 minutes, I'll come. Yeah, after the 5 minutes, I'm removing my chicken. So now my chicken is ready. Now we are going to prepare the pepper sauce, green pepper sauce. So guys, our green pepper is on the fire. So we are adding the stock of the chicken. And what? A little bit of salt. And our cube. So this will be ready like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, roughly 10 minutes. So let's wait for the 10 minutes. So guys, after our work done, we got this. Yes, I see the color, the texture, the crispiness. Yeah, it is not bent though. This is the color. It is not bent. Charlie, you have to try this. Please, if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Eat with Joy TV, and you can follow me on IG for any cooking questions. You can ask me on IG, Choplamas, CHOPLAMARS, Choplamas. You can follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Next week, the same time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.